Driving is probably something you do every day without thinking twice. You may not know this, but driving is one of the most dangerous tasks you will ever engage in. Upon entering your vehicle, adjust the vehicle to your body. Adjust your chair and steering wheel so that you are comfortable. Check all the rear view and side view mirrors. Make sure to eliminate as many blind spots as possible. If you have packed your vehicle with supplies, make sure that they do not obstruct your view. Seat belts are one of the most important ways to reduce and avoid serious injury should a motor vehicle accident occur. Make sure your seatbelt is snug, but not too tight.
All these are driving practices that form part of the defensive driving training targeting local taxi operators. The idea behind the program is to improve road safety and reduce accidents on the island. Defensive driving instructor Derek Archer says that taxi operators should develop safe driving habits in order to prevent accidents and save lives.
Your aim or your mission is to prevent road fatalities, to prevent accidents from happening. Yes, you may fact that you are in this class, you have signed on to that. So we all sign on. Yes, prevention. Our aim from today is to prevent accidents, to save lives.
And the participants intend to do just that by putting into practice what they have learned.
Seatbelt is a very important thing to wear. I had never liked it, but in this course now tells me, well, seatbelt is important, and also encourage my passengers who I'll be traveling with to wear their seatbelt.
For instance, the signal, entering the intersection, you're wrong when you enter the intersection.
The amber light doesn't mean to just speed up and go through. The amber light means to stop.
Defensive driving not only helps taxi operators to improve their driving skills and reduce the risk of accidents, but it will also improve the customer service experience for their local and visiting passengers.
Smile when they come into your taxi. I learned all that here. Also respect. Must respect your customers. I think I will have more to offer my customers, and I think they will feel safer with me once I put all that I've learned today into practice.
With the defensive driving training, taxi operators are now better able to drive safer on the roads. From the Division of Tourism and Transportation, I'm Juliet James reporting for Let's Talk Tobago.